Drug maker Merck has applied for emergency use authorization for an antiviral COVID-19 pill. If the treatment is approved, it would be the first oral medicine to gain FDA approval. Merck says its study data showed the drug lowered the risk of hospitalization and death by half for people with mild to moderate symptoms. Some experts say there are caveats, such as the cost of the medicine. The pill was also not tested among vaccinated patients. Still, some are calling this a game changer.
Having a pill that people can take at home when you know that they're high risk and they've caught COVID, that has the possibility to be transformational. This is one of those tools in the toolbox that we have just been lacking so far.
BNC's Jamise Price spoke with doctors who are optimistic about this new tool to fight COVID.
And Naja, these doctors are cautiously optimistic. They're still doctors, so of course they have some concerns and some questions, but they are glad to know there are measures taking place to make sure that they can really fight COVID here. So this is a treatment that you could take at home for pills that someone would need to take 5 days. The pill will be used to treat mild cases of COVID, and the cases would need to be identified early. Merck claims this pill regimen could reduce hospitalization and death by 50%. They're basing these findings on the results of a clinical trial that included adults who were COVID positive and not vaccinated. Now, this is not the first time oral medication has been used to treat a respiratory virus. We also seen this with treating patients with the flu. Now, doctors hope this treatment could ease the strain on hospitals. Also this week, more efforts to fight COVID going before the FDA here. So an advisory panel will look at data and vaccine efficacy for the J&J booster as well as the Moderna COVID booster. Naja?
Jamise, do doctors have any concerns about this at this point?
Yeah, Naja, some of the concerns you mentioned early on, just about the cost of these the medication. Also, with this trial, it was only tested on unvaccinated people. So what about the people who are vaccinated may still get COVID? And as you know, we can see that with those breakthrough cases. Also, who will be able to take the medication? Is this something only for adults, only for older adults, or people who are immunocompromised? So there's still a lot of questions, but hopefully we will get some of those answered as it's moved forward through the FDA process. In New Orleans, I'm Jamise Price for BNC.